Gusto mo ng staycation na private, relaxing at hindi kailangan bumiyahe ng sobrang layo? Found it in Santa Maria, Bulacan. May dalawang loft-style air-conditioned villas dito, complete with master's bedroom and living area. Ang cozy at sarap mag-unwind. Hindi rin problema ang parking dahil may dedicated parking space na kasya hanggang 7 sasakyan. Isa sa favorite spots namin yung spacious garden at poolside. Ang sarap tumambay, magkwentuhan at mag-relax habang nag-e-enjoy sa view. Pwede rin kayong magluto dahil complete ang kitchen amenities nila. May griller din for your favorite barbecue sessions. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang karaoke session. Whether biritan, duet, or kantahan hanggang gabi, mas masayang bonding kapag may kasamang music. And here's how affordable it is for your next family gathering, reunion, or barkada getaway. If you're planning your next staycation, family gathering, or barkada outing, Casitas de Amadoria deserves a spot on your list. Message their page now to check available dates and book your stay.